How to turn off shorts on YouTube or disable YouTube shorts. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily turn off shorts on YouTube. So the first thing what you want to do is just head over to your YouTube and just click on your profile and click on settings, and once you're inside here just tap on general and just click on playback in feeds and make sure it's turned off, which will automatically turn off the playback in your feeds. So once you do that, as you scroll through, you might see the shorts, so simply tap on it and click on not interested and click on not interested. What you can do, another option is just head over to your YouTube, long press on it and just head over to your app information and make sure you click on this disable, and it will disable the automatically force update. But remember guys, you can't actually completely remove or wipe the shorts section. So you can prevent your YouTube from showing the shorts, but you can't actually completely remove the shorts section from the whole YouTube. So once you remove all of your unliked shorts or shorts you don't want to see, you can also tap on this shorts section and just click on show fewer shorts, which will show the fewer shorts, but you can't completely wipe the whole shorts from the YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.